Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this Nissan Navara. So from any screen you've got, you've got the map screen there. That's the map. Let's just go out of it. We'll go to music. So from any screen you've got the map screen there, or you've got destination there, new address, click new address. We've got the postcode there, so we'll just go up to postcode, select postcode, and let's see, we can do it like so or with the wheel. So we're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, PR, and then we'll just take a shortcut up there, 5, 4, back down here, oops, J, Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS, and then we have list here, back. I think if we enter it'll put another S in, so we'll click list. United Kingdom, PR5 4JS, Wantleydale, Preston, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, yes, click OK, click OK. And then you see there it's defaulted to start, click start.
Starting route guidance to your destination.
So that's it. It's a very easy system to use, very, very good system. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this Nissan Navara. So from any screen, if we go into settings, it's gone straight to the screen, so just 1 second, let me do that again. So into settings, navigation, audio, Bluetooth, we go down to Bluetooth using the thumb wheel, click enter. You've got Bluetooth there on, so if you're having any problems pairing, make sure that's on. So obviously you know how to get to that now. Pair a Bluetooth device, paired device list, hands-free. You're showing Barry's iPhone, click on Barry's iPhone, connect, preferences or delete. I want to delete it, click delete. Barry's iPhone is already on the list, delete Barry's iPhone, yes. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this Nissan Navara. First of all, into settings, make sure Bluetooth is on. It's more than likely going to appear at the bottom here. So from any, you can do it two ways. I think that was the Audi hands-free that just showed up there. This one will be my car. So you can either go into settings, I'll show you the hard way, settings, and to Bluetooth, and then just navigate to pair a device, or if we go back, click on telephone, there you go, just click that in 1 second. So click on telephone. There is no Bluetooth phone currently paired with the system. Would you like to pair one now? Yes. Using your handset, look for Bluetooth device called My Car, which has come up already. When requested by the handset, enter the pin 1234. So we'll click on that. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. I won't be using the car again, but you will, so I'll click don't allow. And there you go, it's My Car's connected. So good thing about the system in here is if we go to iTunes, if you just click there, you'll see My Car showing, there's a tick next to it. If not, just tick it. We'll go back here, click over to auxiliary. That's showing the record that's playing on here. Now if I just turn this up, give it a bit of volume. That's it. It's a real good audio system in this vehicle. Quite easy to use. If you can't get auxiliary, if you can't get the tunes playing, go into settings. Just to check this, go down to Bluetooth, select Bluetooth, look at paired device list, click paired device list, and you see there you've got hands-free and audio. If you click on audio, just make sure that that's selected. See my phone there, select, and then click select. So that's how you do it. I hope that helps. Thank you.